Hon, you've been telling me you will for a year.
Seriously, Han?
Sorry. How long have you had seeds?
A few weeks ago.
Where am I stopping? It's 10:30. Where am I stopping?
Okay, let's go.
Hon, tell me where you want to stop.
Shop right, oi.
Okay.
I don't make too much noise, Han.
There's people behind you. Somebody's walking.
Hala, that's our house.
Oh, here.
Look at it. Tinawag daw niya yung aide niya, yung nag-alaga sa kanya. Pinipress niya yung and then pagpunta daw doon.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys. So sunny right now. We're heading to the rehab. Early. Today is 8:23 na. And then they're gonna pick her up like 10 o'clock for dialysis. Yeah, so dialysis siya today. And yeah. It's really sunny, yeah. And Tommy is going to work. He's working. He's working early. He's my baby. She's my baby. He's my baby. You know what my sister said? You guys stay here. You know, not like stay here, like you visit her for a few months, like months, and then let Tommy retire. And then you can go back over there in your house and like back and forth, or we sell the house, you know, this house here.
So, you can pay taxes and everything.
Yeah, you sell it. And you can, if your Tommy doesn't want to stay over here, you know, just go here for 3 months and stay more months in the US. And that's it. Hopefully we can find parking. Don't forget your thing when you go. Huh?
Yeah.
So after this, guys, Tommy is going to work later, and then I'm going home. She's gonna be in dialysis for a few hours, right? And my sister-in-law will be here afternoon, right?
Probably evening. I'm just standing in the street. You can get run over.
Really?
There's something in the street. I'm trying to hit it.
What is it? Bird?
Yeah, bird.
Okay, but I don't see anybody. No, you cannot go to the lot. That's a private thing. No, this one here.
Oh, maybe they're a doctor. There's a parking right here, huh?
Oh shit, there is a parking here. Oh my god, we found a parking. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. We got a parking. Halahalahan, you're too far. Hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa rehab facility. Pagdating namin dito, yung biyanan ko hindi makahinga, nahirapan. Pero yung mga tao dito, sabi pa ni biyanan, ano daw, tinawag daw niya. And then pumunta dito yung aide. And nagyaw-yaw daw ba. Yun yung pinakaayaw ko talaga sa mga ganito. Dito kami sa Pitco, guys. Bumili lang kami ng mga grass ng pusa.
You get more expensive $8 each throw now.
Yeah, I know. So we spent $34 for this four thing.
Before.
Now it's $8. You cannot really come here anymore because this is really crazy.
You don't grow seeds, you have seeds.
No, you don't. I told you I will.
Hon, you've been telling me you will for a year.
Seriously, Han?
Sorry. How long have you had seeds?
A few weeks ago.
Huh? Let's see. Should I go back on my credit card statement and see when I bought seeds?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna say it's a few weeks?
Yeah.
Is that what you say? You gonna stand by it? We're gonna bet money on that one?
Careful, huh?
I'm gonna have to jump out because...
Jump.
If I don't jump out, we're gonna have a problem.
So this This thing is really expensive. Oh my god. 34 bucks for this catnip grass and then the regular grass. Because our two cats, they have different likes. See how...
Tax that come up to $9 pieces. Retarded.
Yeah, it's stupid.
For grass that dies like really quick if you don't water it.
When I water it, I do. I drown in a lot of water. What time is it? 10? Let's stop
30.
to. It stopped to ano?
Who?
Stop somewhere.
Stop where? Where am I stopping? At 10:30. Where am I stopping?
Okay, let's go.
Hon, tell me where you want to stop.
Shop right, oi.
Okay. What do you say? Stop somewhere. Am I supposed to figure out what's in my ears?
Anyway, guys, it's going to work and I'm going home. My sister-in-law will be here later after her dialysis. Sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya, guys. Bakit ayaw ko ng mga nursing home na yan. This rehab center is like a nursing home because there's a lot of patients over there that been there for months that never go out because I don't know for some reason, but yeah. So yun siya. My mom's friend, like long time friend also, she's still there. She was there for she was there for a long time.
I have no idea how long she's been
Because remember, she been calling mama. She said, I'm back to rehab. May nakita akong ano guys, rambutan right there. Rambutan. Okay guys, pinakuha ni Tami to guys sa akin. Busy ngayon dito guys. Daming binili ni Tami. Busy. Luckily we have a good camera in this car. The back camera is so clear. And if there's people behind you, the car will cry. Is that the cry, Han?
Well, I don't know about the car, but my wife makes that noise when the people behind me.
I do?
Yeah.
I don't make too much noise, Han.
There's people behind you. Somebody's walking.
Because I don't want you to run over somebody. I'm so afraid.
I just thought those people left so much stuff. Not like they left.
Is it a lot?
Not like one. You see how much stuff you had to take off though? It was like half the conveyor belt. Did you not see it? You were standing right there with me.
When you told me that there is a fish over there that they got for her.
Well, no. As he was taking all the stuff off, I said they didn't forget that. It's not like because it's not like we're not gonna fuck. We don't need the sodas. No, they actually sat and waited for like fish to be cut at the seafood counter and wrapped. So it was like it was stuff they went out of their way to get. Not stuff they just picked up off the shelf and decided later, fuck it, I'm not buy it.
Hopefully no one will put that back to the...
Well, that's what I told him. They get in there quick. It's still all there. He still has it right there. I would have told him to hold on to it, and I'll tell him in the parking lot, but I know I see him in the parking lot, so... Hi, puppies. I got PBs.
I hope you guys, you won't drop over there. Stay there, okay? Be nice to me. Just came home from ShopRite. ShopRite. Camera is over there. Don't touch the coffee pad.
Well, you know when I take a cup of coffee, so what the heck? Why would you do that?
I'll get it. He doesn't want you here, guys. Bye, guys. He doesn't want you here. He doesn't want you here. Yeah, I need that in the bag.
This stuff goes over here.
This one is
We're on the dining table for Andrew. So you can leave it right down.
right here.
Yeah.
You need 2 onions.
With coconut, isn't it?
Is it looking?
With coconut?
Huh? You know you have still more onions here?
Yes, I got white ones because I couldn't get red ones. They were all lousy looking when I saw one.
Don't put that out. You put it in the refrigerator because it's gonna go bad.
You're leaving this, right, Dougie?
Huh?
You leave
Yes,
it?
because I'm coming back here. Next week. Nah. Hello, that's our house.
Over here.
Look at it, don't answer it. our grass is really long. I can see it from here. Wait, do we have another one?
Yeah.
Magluto lang ako ng lamb, guys. I-bake ko to.
Right there, you had to move it to get to this one.
Okay. Kasi kapag dating dito ng asawa ko, mayroon siyang konting
No, I let you out. Your mother dragged you back in. I can't keep playing that game.
meat.
She don't want you to stay outside for more than 30 seconds. Hello? What's up, Ange? Alright, I got a medication on the table.
Okay guys, we are going home. And I turned the AC kasi init. Sobrang init. And then, kita-kits na lang tayo sa bahay, di ba? Trabaho na si Tami, kaya alis na kami. Katatapos ko lang din nagluto ng lamb para sa kanya. And, yun. Para meron siyang makain pag uwi. Meron naman siyang mga salad dito. Gusto niya yung mga salad. To, hoy! Sobrang init, Rox. Roxy, listen to mama. Uy, mainit? Mainit, bebe? Hi, mates. Tignan niyo itong dalawa, guys. Hello, baby. Hala, there's a lot of birds. There's birds. Hala. Roxy doesn't like the hala. We're gonna go see Dimple, right? Okay? Okay, guys, we're gonna go. I'll see you later. Hi, Bug. You kiss your brother? You kiss your sister? Uy. And it's 2:32 na ng hapon. Andito ako early, so yung sister-in-law ko, ando na yun. Taas na yung ano, guys, damo. Dito, hindi pa rin. Pero doon mataas na. Hindi pa rin nag-ano yung ano. Yung sili, ang dami. Oh, pichay ba to? Ay, pichay ito, guys. Pichay. Look. Naalala ko, ganito yung pichay kapag tumubo. Mabilis talaga yung pichay, no? Dito, yung nilagay ko, iwan ko ano yun. Pero dito, batong. Yung string beans, hindi nag-ano. Wala pa, oh. Kahit ano. Dito din. Hindi pa rin. Ito yung sabi ko, guys, oh. Look. Dahil sa snow. Ito din. Ito din, oh, look. Natipak. Ito may tipak na to. Sayang. La, kumain ng damo tong mga to, ay. Parang baliw. Uy! Masakit yung tiyan ni Misty, o kumain ng damo. Hala, umiyak na nang itong si Habsi Boy. Umiyak, my little man. Uy, uy, what are you doing? Uy, come here, what are you doing? Hi, Dimp. Hi, Dimple Lord. Hello, Dimp. Hello, dadaga yung grass, okay? Happy man na siya, uy. Happy man na, little man. Come to mama. Come here. Tingnan. Ang saya, uy. Ang saya man. Ang saya-saya. Ang saya-saya ng little man. Hala, nakita ni Dimples yung ano. Nakita ni Dimples itong grass nila. Gustong-gusto to ni Dimples. Wait, Dimples, wait. Nakakita ako ng ano, guys. Sana matamis ito this time na ano. Rambutan. Anyway, guys, pahinga muna ako, guys. Nakakapagod. Naka-ano ako ng traffic. Naka-encounter ako ng traffic 2 beses. Kasi alam na yung iba kasi papunta dito upstate. Kasi ano, Black Friday. Hindi Black Friday. Yung, basta. Kasi ano, barbecue. May mga taong nag-barbecue ngayon. Or Sunday. Sa Sunday. Diba? Yan. Mataas na yung grass namin. Bukas, ang gagawin ko is mag-spray ako sa mga damo. Dapat spray ko yung damo para hindi tumubo. Yung sa mga area na hindi. Mga area na dapat hindi sila tutubo. Yun. Nagbili ako ng ano, bumili ako ng tawag nito eh. Cabbage na ganito ba? Parang may pagka-curl-curl ganon. Yan yung binili ko. And pork. And of course, meron tayong sinigang tamarind, ano, pang ano sa sinigang. And yung kinuha ko na pork ngayon is ano siya, fresh pork neck bones. Yung sa liig, wala na naman itong mga laman. I decided na ano na lang, guys, i-add na lang natin itong pork belly. 2 hiwa lang naman ito. So para talagang may taba-taba at may ano, yun. Hindi pwede ito. And lagyan ko siya ng ano guys, jalapeno kahit maanghang yan. Para talaga ano. Alam niyo ba kung saan ito nabili ni Tami? Ito. I think naalala ko sa ano, sa Asian store. Ito. Sa mga Chinese store. Korean ba yun? Or basta Asian store. Okay. Hugasan natin ito and then lutuin natin. Okay? Hala, grabe ka pagod. O, tulog na tulog. Hindi yan tingtulog. Mga ganitong oras, hindi yan matutulog. Pero, tignan nyo, sobrang pagod. Silang dalawa actually. Kasi hindi yan makatulog ng maayos doon. Kasi iiwan namin palagi. And then, parang ayaw nila yung iiwan sila palagi ba? Para silang naghihintay kung kailan kami babalik. Na hindi sila, pagod. Kaya ayaw ni Roxy doon. Hala. Itong dalawang pusa din, mga luko-luko. Hoy, mga kulo-kulo! Mag-away, nagising tuloy si Roxy Coles. So anyway guys, meron akong sasabihin sa inyo. Alam nyo, kanina, yung nangyari kanina guys, doon sa rehab yun daw, sabi nila rehab. Pero para siyang rehab na nursing home. So magluluto tayo and then usap tayo guys ha. Well actually, kahapon, bumalik kami, diba, ano yung biyanan ko, nag-complain, sabi pa niya, galit na galit daw siya sa aid na naka-assign sa kanya. Yung si iba, wala daw pakialam sa katawan niya. Parang, ito talagang, pag-behave naman eh. Hoy, behave the two of you. Behave. Yung parang ginaganon daw siya, and then ibalik naman daw sa kama, ganun-ganun ba. Parang, hindi gentle daw, hindi daw gentle. So, yun, nag-complain siya kahapon. So, wala lang ako, pero nakikita ko yung aid niya, yung dialysis CNA niya na naka-assign sa kanya, hindi talaga friendly guys. Hindi talaga friendly. Ang ano ko sasabi ko na Tami, baka ano lang sabihanan ko, baka ayaw lang niya na para siyang minadali siya. Kasi ayaw talaga ng median ko na minadaliin siya. Pero alam nyo naman kapag si nursing home talaga, may mga schedule dapat anuhin mo. Pero alam ko talaga na may mga horror story at saka hindi magagandang story tungkol sa mga ganon. And sanda ginoo ko Lord Habs, ginoo ko, galit daw siya na ganon ang nangyayari. Na alam ko talaga na kapag walang paki yung iba, hindi naman lahat, hindi ko sinasabi lahat ng mga aid or mga CNA dyan or mga HHA na na walang mga paki sila. May mga taong yung parang ayaw nila yung ginagawa nila. So at saka, yung biyanan ko is very, yung biyanan ko, hindi siya, nagagalit daw siya dahil sa ginawa. Hinihila siya, ganun ba? Hindi gentle, dapat yung sa training, di ba? Gentle ka, sabihin mo kung anong gawin mo, ganyan, o ito, I will grab this, like that. Pero, okay, so this morning na naman, hinihingal siya guys, hinihingal siya, hindi siya makahinga. Sabi ko kay Tami, tawagin mo sila. Sabi pa ni Tami, puntahan ko para ilagay yung oxygen. Kasi hindi nila nilagay, dapat monitor sila na dapat lagyan sila ng oxygen kapag nanghihina yung matanda or hindi nag-try to catch up sa hinga. So, pero iniwan nila. Hindi nila pinakain. Merong pagkain na nilagay doon. And then, yung katawan ng biyanan ko is nasa gitna. Diba, short man yung biyanan ko. Maliit yung katawan niya. I mean, short ba? Katulad ko, hindi matangkad. So, parang, ang dito niya is nasa gitna ng kama. Yung kama, di ba, pag ganon-ganon. Tinawag daw niya yung aid niya, yung nag-alaga sa kanya. Pinipress niya yung and then pagpunta daw doon, nagmurmur daw, kahit anong pinagsasabi. Ang sabi ng biyanan daw ko, andito ka man, andito daw ikaw para ano bang ginagawa mo? Ayaw mo akong ayaw daw siya ipataas kasi ang tinawag niya yung aid para ipataas siya para makakain. So yung pagkain andun sa gilid, hindi inano sa kanya, di ba maana ganon-ganon yung table, inano sa kanya. Ang gusto ng biyanan ko pag maganon siya para makuha niya yung pagkain. Hindi daw ginawa. And so ang ginawa daw nila is ginano nila yung kama, and then andito parang nababali yung back ribs ng biyanan ko kasi nandun siya sa gitna eh. Hindi siya, lalong hindi makahinga. So, Ginoo ko, galit talaga ako kanina guys. Para ako, kasi alam ko kasi, nagtitraining ako kasi for 1 month ng ganon, HHA. So, alam ko talaga na may mga tao na mga salbahis. So, alam ko kung anong ginagawa nila. Hindi nila talaga inalagaan. And kailangan andun ang biyanan para sa therapy, diba? So yun yung nangyari, guys. And, tami tayo ang mag-ano dito, ipataas natin. So, like, nakatraining kasi ako. Galing, alam ko talaga kung anong magagawin. So, inano ko yung, pina-flat ko siya. And then, ginagrab ko yung blanket. Pino-forward namin pataas para makahinga siya ng mabuti. Kasi, naiipit yung ano niya. Kasi nga ganun siya, oh. Katawan niya. Ginoo ko. So, naano ako, sabi ko. Nagyaw-yaw lagi ko, guys. Nagyaw-yaw ko dito. Pa-uki-uki itong mga taong to. Nakikita, pumupunta sila dun para ismail-ismail. Alam ko naman na hindi sila mabuti. Hindi sila magaling sa trabaho nila. Yung mukha ko hindi mano. So, yan. Luto tayo, guys. Ito muna, guys. Okay, pasto. Sabi ko kay Tami, i-report mo to kasi pangalawang beses na nagreklamo yung biyanan ko. Sabi ni Tami, hindi daw niya i-report doon sa table kasi ganun kasi yung mga trabahante, diba? So, doon daw sa pinaka-head, tawagan daw niya. Kasi pangalawang beses na nagreklamo yung biyanan ko na iba yung yung mga ginagawa nila iba para ano sila ba? Para silang mga manikin. I-ready na siya sa dialysis ba yung biyanan ko. So, binihisan na ng aid niya. Bihisan. Sabi pa niya, excuse daw kasi bihisan niya. So, sabi ko, si Tami dapat talaga alis kasi lalaki, di ba? So, sabi ko, pwede ako dito? Upo, tingin lang. Sabi niya, hindi daw pwede. Okay, so, sige, hindi pwede labas family, ganun. Sabi pa ni Tami, punta daw kami sa CVS, mga ganun. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ako aalis. Sabi ko kay Tami, hindi ako aalis. Dapat andito ako makikinig sa labas kung anong mga mangyayari. Kasi alam ko talaga yung biyanan ko is, ouch, 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 ganun. Marinig ko talaga. Doon ako sa labas, nakikinig. Nakikinig ako kung ano mga ginagawa niya. So, alam niya nga, andun kami, kinover talaga niya lahat, guys. Yung pintuan is open, pero yung curtains, kinover niya lahat talaga, guys. As in, cover lahat. Cover talaga lahat, ha. Sige. And doon ako, nakikinig ako sa kanila, and then, okay naman. At alam ko talaga, kapag may family, tratuhin nila ng maganda kasi may family, nakatingin, ganun, nakikinig, ganun. So, naghintay si Tami, kasi sabi ko, hindi tayo alis kapag hindi matapos. So, yun lang yung ano ko, guys, mga ano ko talaga, iba talaga yung nursing home. Talagang yung ibang tao, guys, ba, makakaya talaga nila no na ilagay nila yung ina nila ba at saka hindi nila bisitahin. Sabi ko katami, God forbid kung may mangyari sa'yo, tayo matanda na, and then ako kahit matanda na ako, guys. So, pareha kami matanda na. So, matanda si Tami, tatanda din ako. So, wala na akong lakas, mga sobrang lakas, sabi ko sa kanya. Hindi kita talaga ipaubaya sa mga ganito. Ako talaga dapat mag-alaga. Sabi ko kanya. Kasi alam naman natin, di ba? Mas matanda si Tami. Pero kapag tatanda si Tami, tatanda din ako, di ba? Hindi naman ako palagi bata. So, bahala na si Batman. Sabi ko, hindi kita talaga dito. Bahala. Okay, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Luto na. Maganda ito pag may tomato. Pero, ito lang andito sa akin eh. So, yan siya. 8 o'clock already ng gabi. Yan. Hi, Miss Tila. Hello. I have something for you, baby. I have Mythica. Huh? I have and Roticals. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe into this channel. Anyway, good night guys. Bye. Bukas magga-gardening tayo. I don't know kung magbablog ako bukas, pero mag-garden tayo and I will spray yung mga grass sa ano para hindi sila babalik for 3 months and then